School teaches us many subjects, but it often leaves out one of the most important skills: how to manage money. Many people graduate knowing math, but not knowing how to make smart financial decisions. Lesson number 1. Save first, not last. Even a small amount saved regularly can make a huge difference. Build the habit of saving every time you earn money. Consistency beats perfection. Your savings can grow over time. Small steps today become big results tomorrow. Lesson number 2. Avoid buying things just because you can. Spending without a plan leads to stress. A simple budget tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Learn the difference between needs and wants. That one habit can save thousands over a lifetime. Lesson number 3. Debt isn't always your friend. Borrow carefully and understand the real cost. High-interest debt can quietly steal your future income. Avoid it whenever possible. Lesson number 4. Make your money work for you through investing. Investing is like planting a tree. The earlier you start, the more time it has to grow. Always keep an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected surprises. A financial safety net helps you stay calm when tough times arrive. Lesson number 5. Never stop learning about money. Financial education lasts a lifetime. Every new skill helps you make smarter financial decisions and build lasting wealth. Look for ways to create multiple income streams instead of depending on just one paycheck. Remember, both your money and your time are valuable. Protect them wisely. Financial success isn't about luck. It's about building good habits one decision at a time. Start with one lesson today, and your future self will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more simple money tips.